Here we go. Here we go, guys. We're gonna go around. We're gonna have a series of these showing you the different animals. Of course, these are the donkeys, but we want to get to the fun, so here we go. Here we are, kiddos, on some of the pretty neat things. These are tortoises. And look at this one's Michelangelo. And this one's Chong. Aren't they gorgeous? There, look at, there's Grandpa Floyd. Hi, Grandpa Floyd. I'm Grandpa Ken.
I know you're supposed to hold it down like that and when they chomp it, the cone. I don't want you to do it.
Hi, Grandpa. You even get to feed Grandpa Floyd. Boy, how do you think that feel on your fingers, kiddos? Not good. And at last, we're here with the ostriches. The funny thing is, kiddos, those ostriches, look at how nice they're in a line, because they're going to, right over there is the hole in the wall where they get fed. Huh? We'll see some deer later. But see, there go the ostrich. They're just moving along the line, taking turns. Yep. We'll get some more. And here we have Rooster, and this is how they get fed. Yeah, people pay. Huh? See? And they go from seed place to seed place and just attack it. Huh? Does that look like Sunday at Feeding House? Huh? Does it look like it is to your family at Christmas time?
Thanksgiving.
Oh my God, it's a girl.
And now you're all famous. Yeah. Just thought I'd get some more of the ostrich, guys. They are huge. See? See how they come looking for you? Food, food. Yeah. That one's got a mean look in his eye, doesn't it, kiddos? What do you think? Look at, huh? What do you think, kiddos? We got more on YouTube, you guys.